Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to connect Hostinger domain to Shopify. If you have a website on Hostinger and you want to connect it to your Shopify store, then in this video, I'll show you how it could be possible. So first you have to go to the browser and then you have to open Hostinger and then sign in or just simply open up your account and also open Shopify and make sure you're also logged in on that. Once you have opened the Shopify, then you have to go to the settings. And once you get into the settings, you will see different options. From all these options, you have to click onto the domain. As you click onto it, you will see the option to add the domain, which is the add existing domain. You have to simply get the URL and paste here. So for that, go to the Hostinger, then click onto the domain. You will see your URL, simply copy it and go back to Shopify and paste the URL and click on next. After that, you will see your Hostinger options will be there with the domain that you have added. But now it is not connected. We have to actually change some values or update them. Then our Hostinger domain will be added to our Shopify store. Even if you try to connect it won't do it. We have to actually update some values. You can see all these values are written there. We have to update them. So for that reason, you have to go to the Hostinger and then you have to go to your domains. You have to simply select the specific domain that we are working on, and within that domain you will see the option for the manage. Click onto that option, and after that on the left side you will see the option for DNS. Click onto it. Once you scroll down, you will see these values up there. Now there we have different ones like CNAME, AA, and different ones. If we look closely onto this page, we have some values. Let's say we have this CNAME and we have the value here, and it also says update to, and under it there's a new value. What you have to do is you have to simply get these new values and go to the Hostinger, and there you have to simply update them. So here we have two CAA, one CNAME and one A, and we have the values which are updated to. You have to simply copy these values and go to Hostinger and then update these values. But before that you have to click onto this login option, and after that it will log in your Hostinger account and it will connect it. So once you have logged in, now get back to Hostinger and now it's time to update the values. So there are different ways through which you can do it. First, what you can do is you can delete all these values and you recreate them by scratch, or you can click on to edit and then you can just simply replace and paste the new key that it has given us up there. And once you get back and try to reconnect it, you will see some of the values will be updated, but the ones that are left, we have to repeat the process. Simply get these new values and go back to the Hostinger and also renew them. And once you update all of these values, you will see your Hostinger domain will be connected to your Shopify store. So that's how you can connect Shopify to the Hostinger domain. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.